So இவ்வளவு நேரம் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ஸ் போட்டாச்சு. எக்ஸாம்பிளும் போய் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. அப்பதான் எக்ஸசைஸ் ஈஸியா போட முடியும். ஓகே, எக்ஸசைஸ் 11.2. Show that the three lines with direction cosines are mutually perpendicular. இப்ப கொடுத்திருக்கிறதெல்லாம் என்னது? Direction cosine கொடுத்திருக்கான். So this is going to be L1, M1, N1. கரெக்டா? Direction cosinesலாம் என்ன? It is going to be cos of alpha of the first line, which can also be depicted as L1. Okay, இதெல்லாம் தான் direction cosines. And this is going to be L2, M2, N2, and this is going to be L3, M3 and N3. இப்போ இது எல்லாமே perpendicularனு எப்படி தெரியும்? நம்ம என்ன படிச்சிருக்கோம்? You have to remember a formula from what we learned. What did we learn? So from here, I have cos theta equals L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. இந்த formula படிச்சோமா? So first அதை எழுதிக்கலாம். Okay, so let me write that. I have cos theta equals magnitude of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Okay, இப்போ ரெண்டு லைனா தான் நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். line 1 and line 2 தான். So this is going to be line 1, line 2 and line 3. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல என்ன சொல்றான்? It is going to be perpendicular, which means cos theta has to be 90, which means this is going to be 0. So இப்போ இதை 0னு நம்ம prove பண்ணிட்டோம்னா we can say that the lines L1 and L2 are perpendicular to each other. கரெக்டா? So இப்போ first L1 and L2 பண்ணலாம். So L1 and L2. Capital L1 and L2 are the lines. Okay, in the small l are going to be the direction cosines. Okay, different புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. So now this is going to be L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. இதை substitute பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா? When I substitute the values, I have first L1 L2. இல்லையா? I'll mark that. So L1 and L2. So it is going to be 12 into 4, 12 by 13 into 4 by 13 plus M1 M2, which is going to be minus 3 by 13, 12 by 13. So I have minus 3 by 13 into 12 by 13 plus N1 N2, which is going to be minus 4 by 13, 3 by 13. So I have minus 4 by 13 into 3 divided by 13. இப்போ divided by 13 வந்து காமனா இருக்கு. So I can write this as 12 3 4s are 48 minus 12 3s are 36, 4 3s are 12. So minus 12 divided by 13 into 13 is 169. So minus 36 minus 12 is minus 48. 48 minus 48 is going to be 0 divided by 169, which means this is going to be cos 90. So I see that L1 is perpendicular to L2. Line 1, line 2 ரெண்டுமே perpendicular னு prove பண்ணியாச்சு. Now let us prove L2 and L3. So I have to prove that L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 equals 0. இதுதான் equals 0 நம்ம prove பண்ணணும், which we proved in the first case. Okay, இப்போ L2 L3 என்னென்ன L2 L3? I'll mark it in a different color. So 4 by 13, 3 by 13. Okay, 4 by 13 into 3 by 13 plus M2 M3. So M2 M3 என்ன? 12 by 13 minus 4 by 13. So 12 by 13 into minus 4 divided by 13 plus N2 N3. N2 என்ன? 3 by 13, 12 by 13. Okay, so 3 by 13 into 12 divided by 13. So this, when I simplify, I have 12 minus 48 plus 36 divided by 169. This is again going to be 0 divided by 169. This is going to be cos 90. So இங்க நம்ம என்ன prove பண்ணிட்டோம்? We proved that L2 is going to be perpendicular to L3. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டுத்திலே என்ன தெரியுது? From this and this, I can say that L1 is also perpendicular to L3. So we proved that line 1 perpendicular to line 2 perpendicular to line 3. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? So இந்த definition வச்சு தான் direction cosines கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா இந்த particular equation எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இது மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டா போதும். So cos theta equals L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. எல்லாத்தோட cosines, எல்லாத்தோட direction cosinesையும் multiply பண்ணி add பண்ணா 0 வந்ததுனா it is going to be perpendicular. இதே parallel னு கொடுத்திருந்தானா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? If it has to be parallel, you have to prove that it is going to be cos 0, which is going to be 1. Now, question number 2. Show that the line through the points 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2 is perpendicular to through the line of the points 0, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6. இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்திருக்கான். So let this be A, B and let this be PQ. They are asking us to prove that AB is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so first நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? I am going to find what my AB is. So this is going to be B minus A. So when I do B minus A, this is going to be 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. இது B minus A vector என்ன? I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So this is going to be 3 minus I is going to be 2I. 4 minus of minus 1 is plus 5j. Minus 2 is going to be plus 0k. So this is going to be my AB. So idhila the direction cosines enna? A1 equals 2, B1 equals 5 and C1 equals 0. Adhe mari PQ. So PQ line it is going to be Q minus P, which means Q enna 3, 5, 6. So it is going to be 3I cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap minus P is going to be 0I cap minus plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So when I subtract this, I have 3 minus 0 is going to be 3I cap, 5 minus 3 is going to be plus 2j cap, 6 minus 2 is going to be plus 4k cap. So this is PQ vector. And what are the direction cosines of direction ratios going to be? It is going to be A2 equals 3, B2 equals 2 and C2 equals 4. So A2, B2, C2 இது என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்பதான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So this also you can write it in such a form. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல திரும்ப என்ன formula தெரியுது? I see that I have a formula where இப்போ cos theta in the particular term we are dealing with direction ratios. இப்போ போன question என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Direction cosines வச்சு பார்த்தோம். Direction ratio வச்சு பார்த்தா again I can take cos theta to be this particular equation. So first இது எழுதிடலாம். So what is the formula? Cos theta equals magnitude of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 the whole divided by square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square times B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. இப்போ questionல என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? You have to prove that this is going to be perpendicular. Perpendicular na என்ன அர்த்தம்? Theta is going to be 90 degrees. So when I do that, I have cos 90 equals 0, which means I can say that A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals 0. Correct? So this is what I have to prove. இப்போ கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிற values வச்சு let me substitute and see. So I have A1 B1 C1 value இங்க இருக்கு, A2 B2 C2 value இங்க இருக்கு. So let me substitute. So I have 2 into 3 plus 5 into 2. Let me write it. I have 2 into 3 plus 5 into 2 plus what do I have for C1 C2? This is going to be in the இடத்துல the value is going to be minus of minus 2, which is going to be minus 4. Okay, please change that. This is going to be minus 4k and the value of C1 is going to be minus 4. Okay, இது மட்டும் change பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Please correct it. So C1 C2 is going to be minus 4 into plus 4. Okay, minus 4 into plus 4. Answer வரலனா உடனே திரும்ப போய் பாருங்க எங்க தப்பா இருக்குன்னு. So this is going to be 3 2s are 6 plus 5 2s are 10 minus 4 4s are 16. So this is going to be 16 minus 16, which is going to be 0. So we proved that theta equals 90 degrees, which means AB is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, please copy. Question number 3. Show that the line through the points 4 7 8 2 3 4 is parallel. இப்போ இவ்வளவு நேரம் perpendicular பார்த்தோம். Parallel னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? So it is going to be A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. இதுதானே prove பண்ணணும் from the formula. So what do I have? So this is going to be, I have to prove that A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2 because it is given that theta equals 0 and AB is going to be parallel to PQ. So I need to find the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So this is going to be A, B and this is going to be P, Q. So first A, B க்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So A, B க்கு it is going to be B minus A. I'll directly write the coordinates. So this is going to be 2 minus 4, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 8. So this is going to be minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. So A1 enna? Minus 2. B1 equals minus 4 and C1 equals minus 4. அதே மாதிரி PQ க்கு இல்லையா? So I can write this as Q minus P. I'll write the coordinates directly. So 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus of minus 2, which is plus 2, 5 minus 1. This is going to be 2, 4, 4. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல ratios check பண்ணணும். So this is going to be A2 equals 2, B2 equals 4 and C2 equals 4. So A1 by A2 equals minus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 1. அதே மாதிரி B1 divided by B2 equals minus 4 divided by 4, which is minus 1. And C1 divided by C2 is going to be minus 4 divided by 4, which is minus 1. So இதில் என்ன தெரியுது? A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 divided by C2. Hence, AB is going to be parallel to PQ. Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? Please copy. Now, question number 4. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point. So point என்னன்னு தெரியும், which means we are talking about the A vector. So A vector என்ன? I have 1, 2, 3, which is going to be I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and parallel to the vector. Example sums பாருங்க அப்பதான் புரியும். So parallel na we are talking about the b vector, which is going to be 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. இப்போ equation என்னன்னு கேக்குறான். So I need to find out r, which is going to be lambda b plus a. So this is going to be lambda times b என்ன 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap plus a is going to be I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So this is going to be I எல்லாம் club பண்ணா I have 3 lambda plus 1 plus j வ club பண்ணா I have 2 lambda plus 2 plus k club பண்ணா I have minus 2 lambda plus 3. So this is going to be the equation in the vector form. So இப்போ என்ன எழுதிருக்கோம் vector formல எழுதிருக்கோம். So இதே Cartesian formல எப்படி எழுதலாம்? So in the Cartesian form, it is going to be x minus x1 divided by a equals y minus y1 divided by b equals z minus z1 divided by c. இதில் x1, y1, z1 எது? It is going to be the components of I, j, k of a. So x1, y1, z1 இது and a, b, c are going to be a, b, c of b. புரிஞ்சுதா ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? This is going to be x minus 1 divided by 3 equals y minus 2 divided by 2 equals z minus 3 divided by minus 2. Okay. So this is going to be the equation. Please copy. Question number 5. Find the equation of the line in vector and Cartesian form that passes through the point with position vector. Passes through the point na, this is going to be my a vector and in the direction of அப்படினா இது parallel இல்லையா. So this is going to be the b vector. Okay. So இப்போ a vector லேந்து நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? We can find out x1 equals 2, y1 equals minus 1 and z1 equals 4. A லேந்து இதை கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? இப்போ b லேந்து என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? I can find out the direction ratios which are going to be a equals 1, b equals 2 and c equals minus 1. இது கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ vector form. Vector formல equation எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? r vector equals lambda b plus a. When I substitute, I have lambda times b என்ன I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap plus a vector is 2i minus j plus 4k. 4k cap. When I club the I terms, I have lambda plus 2 plus j terms club panna, I have 2 lambda minus 1 plus k times club panna minus 1 plus minus 1 lambda. Minus 1 lambda plus 4. So this is going to be the vector form. இதே Cartesian formல எப்படி எழுதலாம்? You can write it as Cartesian form is going to be, first I'll write the general one. X minus x1 divided by a equals y minus y1 divided by b equals z minus z1 divided by c. x1, y1, z1 எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So x minus 2 divided by 1 equals y minus of minus 1 divided by 2 equals z minus 4 divided by minus 1. Okay. So this is going to be the equation. Please copy.